Okay. I am Michael D'Souza, ex-chairman of Anjuna Kaitwa Biodiversity Committee. I would first like to explain about how tourism developed in Goa. Tourism developed because of East Goenkars like our family who initially in 1970 and 1975 the flower children who had come to Goa and were staying in thatched huts near the beachside, they used to keep their belongings with us and pay us some money. Then slowly people used to come there, and that's how tourism got developed in our coastal belt. Now, we were very happy when we used to get customers staying in our rooms, staying in our houses and all, and we used to somehow manage. But now, with the administration and with all these people, all this full administration trying to take over tourism in their hands, what type of tourism they have brought in? Nothing but unwieldy tourism, which has no this for the local people. Shack policy. See the shack policy. Every year shacks are increasing and increasing. Why should the ancestral people who are having shacks, why only they should not have been given? Why extra people were given shacks to put on the beaches? This is our main thing. Now coming to that, now they have started EDM festivals. Initially, I was opposed to EDM festival because it was coming during the Christmas week. We had created such a awareness that Lakshmikant Parsekar, when he was Chief Minister, he had stopped EVM during the Christmas week and asked them that you do it before December 15th or after January 15th. That is the time you do. And we were very happy. Then EDM Sunburn left from here, they went to Pune and all. And then now again they have come back. Actually mismanaged by our tourism department and administrators that now we don't get tourists at all. Now we are dependent on Sunburn for tourism. We very well understand that we are dependent on Sunburn for tourism. But at the same time, we would request that Sunburn should not take us for granted and should not do things which are imitable to our own people. आमचे खास लोक कितें आहा तांकां त्रास जावंक उपकारना. लायक हिंगा वयता ते आमचे ट्रॅफिक कंट्रोल हे ते आमकां भायर सोरोंक मेळना ते दिसांनी आनी आमी जाणटे वचपाचे की आवाज येता हॉंकींग की if traffic, I was in the traffic committee and I realized that good action is being taken by the traffic police now this time to try to make it into a very good success. I commend the traffic police. But what is happening? Everybody wants to go to court, file a case against Sunburn, and in that way Sunburn keeps on selling money to everybody. What I am telling Sunburn is, what have you done for the village people? You do something under your CSR. You put some money in the bank, like 50 lakhs, 1 crore in the bank in the name of Anjuna Kaitwa Education Trust, from where interest-free loans will be given for deserving poor students who want to do higher studies. They can avail of this loan. Others, why should we sacrifice our sleep, our this, because of Sunburn, because of the noise, because certain people get free passes, certain MLAs and administration, they get free passes and all. We have to suffer for that. That is why my saying is directly to Sunburn and all the other EDM festivals, like Supersonic also, which this year is not there. So the brunt is borne by Sunburn. So what my saying is to Sunburn is, please think. And to the people of Anjuna Kaitwa, I tell them, be united and ask for something concrete from Sunburn. The free passes and all bribes, this, that, to people from outside the village, from outside, from Panjim, from Mapsa, from South, they come and they take hafta from these people. Why should they not give us CSR? This is my only saying. Because 28, 29, 30, we don't mind. We require now the tourists because tourism is finished due to the wrong policies of the tourism department and of the Babus. But at least if they do, let them do without the local tourists suffering. So I would request that Sunburn people under CSR do something for the village. Or you will make us get up and we will try to do something to stop you forever. So in pursuance of the previous thing, I would like to bring to the notice of the general public that Sunburn operates only up to 10 o'clock. After 10, this is taken over by the Sunburn associates, like different 5-star hotels and all. They take over and they have full night parties, and the flyers are going over all over, even on internet the flyers are roaming around, where it is clearly mentioned that after 9 o'clock the parties will continue in so and so restaurant, in so and so restaurant. Is the this department, police department and all are not aware of all what is happening about this? Why are they not asking, questioning those restaurants that why these flyers are put up? And whether, I would like to ask the government whether these parties and all which are taking place after this by the 5-star hotels will be stopped or not.